Hi! Hi! Hi, everybody! Surprise! I'm here! Hi. How's everyone doing? Let's see, who got here first? Hi, Kix! Hi, Chance! Hi! Hi, Chili! Yeah, I got lots of tacos. So many tacos. Here, I'm gonna throw tacos at you guys. Waiting for work to end at 5. Soon! You got like a few more hours. If someone wins a raffle and decides they don't want their winnings, can I donate the winnings? Yeah, can you? I like how Kix is like, can I donate? Yeah, they can donate the winnings to anyone else. Coworkers think I have my earbuds in, jamming some kind of random music, but little do they know. Aw, damn, Chance must be listening to a banger. What's up, Sans? Hi, Sans! How's everyone doing today? Surprise! It's a cheeky little stream, and by cheeky, hopefully... So I have my meeting's at like 4. I should probably leave at like 4. So we'll keep this to like a... We'll say a 2-hour stream. we'll see if I can do a 2-hour stream. We'll try. Hopefully I won't push it and then accidentally be late for my meeting. A little earlier than usual. It's a surprise stream. Surprise, I'm here. Hi, hello. I hope everyone's having a good Wednesday so far. So you're saying you're going to leave stream on time? I'm gonna try to leave stream on time. I'm gonna try to leave stream at a good time, you know, so I'm well mentally prepared for this meeting. Yeah. Pleasant surprise. Yay! I know, I was like, do I have enough time? I got time. Who needs to prepare for things, right? We're good. Did I play Fallout 76? No, it's so scary. That game would make me terrified. I feel like I would be so scared. I know there's a huge Fallout following, and they're just pushing out content for Fallout. But no, I haven't played it yet. Do you play it often? Why? I haven't played it yet just because I just haven't gotten to it. There's so many games on my game list. I have an abundance of games that I should probably get to. But I'm not opposed to playing it. I just haven't played it yet, I should say. Yeah. Nah. Wait. Nah. Why? What? Nah. What? Wait. What? Wait. What? Wait. What? I just need to find people. That's my issue. Spoon! Where? Where? Hi, Avi dear. Not because it's a bad game. I haven't played it in like 2 years. Oh. Is there people still playing? Is there... Well, I know there's squirrel. I know that there's still people playing. I mean, there's a streamer. I haven't seen her in a while, actually, or I haven't seen them in a while, I should say. But they used to play Fallout quite often. Just because time in other games. See, same. There's so many other games out there. So many. So I should probably mention we are teetering on 599 followers right now. I was at 600, but then somebody did I'm gonna keep using the word cheeky. They did a cheeky unfollow, so now I'm at 599. So unless the followers stick, or maybe I'm at like 601, then I'll feel a little more comfortable. I don't want to have like a 600 follower giveaway, and then all of a sudden some like people are being silly and they're like, ha, I'm gonna unfollow so that you're actually not at 600. So I'm gonna wait until it actually sticks. But in the meantime, I could do exclamation cosplay. Feel free to vote. I think right now Chun-Li is winning, I believe. Yeah, so she's winning by 1 vote. My PNG tuber model, this one that I'm using right now, hi, is in 2nd place. And then there's Sailor Mars, Azula, Princess Leia. Wait, what? Who? Wait. What? I didn't even see that Princess Leia sleigh bikini was an option. Who put that there? What? Who requested that one? that one. That's so silly. I was very a big fan. So whoever a big fan is, you don't have to put your name in these. Like you don't have to put your actual name. It's just to deter from like random bots and stuff. But somebody, whoever their name is, wrote down that their name is a big fan. So yeah, that's funny. That one. That one threw me off. So you wouldn't do the I'll do it. It wasn't me. No, yeah. This one. Is there another one? If this was golf, I'd be giving you a gimme. I probably wouldn't be the most active member in stream today. No worries, Kix. It's okay. Can I go back and revote for that? Actually, you might be able to. I'm not too sure. Someone's reaching. Yeah, so you wouldn't. I guess I could do it. Doesn't mean I'm gonna be fully nude underneath. I could always wear like something sheer underneath so that I'm a little more clothed. But yeah, I mean, really it depends on whatever the number one spot is and how comfortable I feel, I suppose. Ooh, Chocobo Jam. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna listen to some Crash Bandicoot. Wear the bikini with sweats and a sweatshirt. Shh, that was my plan. That was my plan. I was gonna wear it over something really like a loungy shirt. But yeah. So silly. That's so silly. That one threw me off. I was not expecting that one. Oh, y'all are so silly. If Chun-Li wins, will you do the black dress, Chun-Li? I was thinking the traditional blue, but I haven't seen it. What does the black one look like? Let's see. Chun-Li black dress cosplay. Oh, that looks so pretty. Do you guys know which one I'm talking about? Yeah. It's super pretty. I think I will do the blue one though, because it's so iconic. Yeah. But that one's really... I guess I could always leave it up to chat. But there's a lot of cute ones. I'm so excited. If that one does win though, I've always wanted to have... I don't have that cosplay, so that's a fun one to do. It'll be so fun. Plus, I already do my buns. Ari dear! Hi, Ari dearest. Ooh. Oh my god, all the sounds. O-W-O. O-W-O. Hi, my dear Ari. How are you? Songwich, what's up? Look at those butts. Boom, boom, boom. Hi, Koozie dear. How are you? How's it going, Koozie Koozie? Thank you. Hi, Twinsy! When you said buns, I know it's perfect. Bun Bun came in here. Bun Bun, how are you, Bun Bun? I hope you're doing well. Toad's Factory. Oh, Cuphead. No.
3, 4.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna be playing Celeste today. I was thinking of doing Dark Souls, but I really didn't want to put a lot of brain pressure on me. I was just... My head's already... So, my nephew had a... Oh my gosh! What is happening? Abby, dearest! Abby, thank you so much! Thank you! Oh, I love you. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. You gave it to... It's the Manili. Dina Dash. Anime Anarchy. Danton got one. Oh, Drew got one. Yay! Drew got one. Woohoo! That's so sweet. You're good. I'm glad you're doing well, Koozie dearest. I am just waiting for my new phone. Ooh, new phone. What phone did you get, Ari dear? What would it take to put in a request for update sub badges? I mean... Ooh, that's a good one. Just tell me what you guys want. What should I do? I've been actually thinking about it. I just don't know what to do. I'm very indecisive, you know me. And then my brain thinks of other things. And then I forget to do it. But if you have any suggestions, let me know. I'm happy to draw whatever. Those ones are fun. Yeah, so just give me your suggestions, Chance. I was gonna say, oh no, I got really bad whiplash. Like I got another iPhone 14 Pro. Oh nice. No, those are I've got the what iPhone? I have one of the iPhones, but I really like the. You know what? If the iPhone was a flip phone, I'd buy it. There's that Samsung flip phone that I really want because it's tiny, compact, and it's super cute. But I don't know if I could make the switch because I'm so used to iPhones. I know, I'm basic. I'm a basic bitch. I can't help it. No, I was going to stream. I was meaning to stream the last couple of days, but I got really bad whiplash. I'd send a video of me, but it is ridiculously embarrassing. So my nephew had his 7th birthday party over the weekend, and being Auntie Juju, I had to go down this giant water slide. My brother bought this like industrial grade, huge blow up water slide, and I went down it with like a blow up boogie board, and I had the worst whiplash ever. It was bad. It was so bad. So my neck has been in recovery. And I was like, I can't really turn a lot, so I'm PNG Tuber today. What's up, Link? How's it going? I'm at the stage of life where I buy 2 generation old phones for the half of the... Yeah, I haven't upgraded my phone in a while. I usually will use it until it's like not functional anymore. Video or it didn't happen? Oh, it happened. Oh, it happened. It's the worst. It hurts so bad. When it happened, my neck went back and I felt all the cracks and I could visualize my spine just going back like a scorpion. It was like, and then I landed and I was like, oh shoot, this is gonna hurt. I like can't. So like when I'm driving, I can't check over my shoulder. I have to turn around like a robot, you know? It's just like, It's very, very annoying. But it's somewhat okay today. Like I could go side to side. Okay. It's just painful, you know? So I've been icing it. Hold on. I just got to change a link really quick. I'd be doing well, Link. Speaking of links. Jokes aside, get well soon. Whiplash, it does suck. So my bed is super, 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 super squishy and soft. So it's not really helping my back. So the first night I slept on the floor just so I could have like a really hard surface to sleep on, which helped a lot. I don't mind sleeping on the floor. Some days it's just like comfier just having like a flat surface. Okay, we're gonna skedoodle over to that's not okay there. I was like, that's not what it's supposed to look like. Can't stay for long. Almost done with my lunch. Oh, well, I'm glad you popped in, Link. Hopefully the rest of your lunch is good. Lude. Oh wait, yeah, I guess we should see how are we doing today? Oh, 14. Oh, it's an off day for me. Oh, okay, well, I guess we're just gonna be so wholesome today. No, about right. Nothing lewd over here. The most wholesome. Your PGver is such a cutie. Aw, thanks, BTG. Thank you so much. I had fun making it. I am gonna be doing, like, eventually another edit of her. I gotta redraw it. Yeah. Or Celeste cosplay without the anxiety. The anxiety, it's a package deal. Whatever I'm doing, the anxiety is always there. I can't help it. I have really bad anxiety, okay. How's it going, BTG? I hope you're doing good. So I did play this off stream a bit. Don't hate me, okay? Don't you hate me, okay? All I did was collect more strawberries. That's all I did. I did not progress anything in the game. Oh, and I collected another, what is it called? Another, tape. I got a question. Do you have any updates with your snail terrarium? Anything new? I think I named my snail as. Nothing new with it. I squished their eggs, so no eggs there. No, they're just pretty mellow. I mean, they eat, my little snails eat veggies. Just throw like a lettuce in there. You cheated on us. Never, I would never do that. No, it's not awkward, I promise. Well, and then I watched a YouTube video. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that one, the tiny one. Actually, the one on my YouTube video, that is my glass snail terrarium. Yeah, no, it's still doing good. The whole thing is like its own ecosystem. I haven't opened it. Honestly, I haven't opened it since I put that thing in there, and it's just kind of growing. It's still surviving. It's still thriving. No, because I have a frog. I have a green tree frog, a Pacific Northwest like tree frog here. And that one, I had my nieces name it. And there's like this show that they really love, and they named it Bartleby. So I was like, oh, how funny. It's named after like Mr. Bartleby, which is another streamer friend of ours. Mr. Bartleby. Did I even spell that right? Did I spell that right? Did I spell that right? Nope, I didn't spell that right. How do you spell Bartleby? Oh shit. Bartleby. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. YouTube, I gotta subscribe. So it was, I think, there's my YouTube for the VODs, but then I also had like before I started streaming, I was doing just like lifestyle content about my birds and random terrariums, which I still have to do, I think. I mean, it's doing well. See, I can't say his name right. I just say Bart. That's so cool. We love Mr. Bartle. Oh wait, is that how the fuck do you spell? I don't know, guys. I'm bad at spelling. Oh, that emote is great. Ah! You're always right. Okay, what was I doing? I was doing something here. I don't know what I was doing. Let's go back to the map. Yeah. Guys, I'm so excited. So I have been introducing gluten back into my mouth. Diet? I don't know why I said mouth. That's weird. And I haven't had donuts in, like an actual donut, okay? Like an actual donut in, I think like 10 years. And it's so good. Now I've been eating like, there's this donut shop that I go to all the time. And like when I was younger, like after church every Sunday until I was like an adult. So like the people know me and my family. And it had been, I kid you, it had been like 10 years since I last went there, but she remembered me. She's like, oh, it's been such a long time since I've seen you. And I was like, oh my gosh, you remember me. And she like knew my order and everything. And it was so sweet. I was like, I will be here always again. You know those little mom and pop shops? It's like, she remembered you? Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, well, my family would go there every Sunday and we would buy donuts from them all the time. And it's a very small little donut shop, and everyone in the community like knows them and whatnot. And so, yeah, I was just like, wow. I mean, I haven't changed too much in appearance, I suppose. Mom and pop shops are the best. Yeah, you know? Judy, when will you play Baldur's Gate Balls 3 and get a Mind Flayer parasite inserted through your eye? Will I get the brain in my eyeball? You know what, Kuzi? I think I might. I don't know. It's so difficult. Whenever I finish, what am I working? What am I doing right now? Whenever I finish Dark Souls, I might do a Baldur's Gate 3 playthrough. It's just I just have so much right now. There's just so much shit going on right now. I have a lot of shit going on. I feel like I would have to dedicate a lot of time to that. And also, I don't want to just get sucked into that game. I'm going to probably fall in love with Astarion just like everyone else, you know. Oh, that's right. We made it out of the cave. Oh, wait, no, the Mirror Temple. Okay, that's the last thing I remember is the Mirror Temple. I saved Theo. I think that's where we're at. Theo, you're awake! Am I? I'm skeptical. Wait, did we already do this? I had a messed up nightmare. Oh, we did. Yeah, about that. Yeah, we did this already. We're going back to the challenge. Okay, wait, just hold on one moment. Okay. Have I done this yet? No, okay. We'll skip this cutscene because I remember we did the cutscene and it was a lot of dialogue. Yeah, it was a lot of dialogue. So we're gonna skip the cutscene. You know, they just have a really good heart-to-heart. Nothing important. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We stopped here. Xankiz! Hi! Okay, how do I... Oh, shit. Hold on. Dash. Okay. No, I want to climb up there. What's up there? I know there's something up there. Fuck. Ah, no. Okay, anyways. Hi! Good luck on the Celesting. Thanks. What's this? I'm beautiful. Oh, wait, what? Stupid feather. Why is this stupid feather? Oh! Oh. Wee! I'm like, a spirit. Just finished Final Fantasy 16. Holy. Oh, was it great? Did you free the slaves? Did you do all the good things in life? Oh my god. Ah! Am I missing things? Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Has anyone seen the Northern Lights? Has anybody seen the Northern Lights in the real world? I think killed an alien god. Oh, wow. The Northern Lights are so beautiful. Aren't they? Yeah, they are. Where are we? We need to talk. Okay. I finally understand who you are. You're not my true reflection. I'm not? You're everything I need to leave behind. You're cruel, paranoid, controlling. Why would you say that? No, it's okay. I understand now. She the inner bitch? Yes. Don't we all have one? Random thought. Different ducks for sub badges? Because, you know, that was actually on my mind too, Chance. I like that idea. That'll be fun. I don't need you anymore. So you're just abandoning me? I'm setting you free. We'll both be so much happier. You're so stupid! What? Uh-oh. Oh no! You think you could just leave me behind? You think you could blame everything on me? You think you're above me? Ah! Answer me! Oh, she's scary. Calm down, please. Calm down. Breathe, Madeline. Breathe. Use the feather. Oh no, not the feather thing again. Breathe, chat. Oh no, it's not in the box. Ah, fuck! I'm panicking. Okay, stop panicking. Uh-oh, too much, too much. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Ah! Ah! You're gonna think about a feather to stop me. No, my feather! I didn't do it. You're not above me, and you can't climb this mountain. It's time to accept that. No, 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 come back. Oh no. What would have happened if I got 100% on that? Madeline, what's happening? No! I fell! Catch you later. Okay, bye, Chance. Take care. Have a good meeting. I fell. I fell. Oh no. Ah! Oh, I'm going down, 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 down. Oh, I'm going really far down. Okay. Well, at least I went in the water. Well, I'm curious what would have happened if I actually got it. Or do they make it so that you can't get it? Curious. Oh, hello. Who are you? What are you? Oh my gosh, it's mad! Ah, I'm so sorry! Wait, come back to me. Oh no! Oh. Oh, okay, okay. You can't. Nah, it's scripted. Oh, okay. This is not gonna end well. If Persona teach me anything, I am thou art. Oh, great. Okay, so there wasn't a chance. Okay, okay, okay. Interesting. Okay, so obviously I cannot touch the crystals, yeah. Oh, oh, ouch. Oh no. Ah. This is gonna be really difficult, huh? Oh, oh my god. Okay, what if I went out this way and up this way instead? Ah! Oh no. Well, okay. Ah! Oh no, I was so close. Okay, okay. Water, water. So essentially I just have to climb my way out of this crystal cave. Please. Oh god, okay. Oh my god, no, come back to me! Okay, that's fine. Ah! Oh shit. Okay, where was I supposed to go? Oh no, there's gonna be a lot of screaming. I apologize already. Yeah. Okay. Can I do some recon really quick? So I gotta go there. Up? Oh no, this is so difficult. Ah! Why did I do that? I didn't mean to. Ah, yikes, yikes, yikes. No, no, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, no. Ah! Oh, fuck. This is really hard. Ah! Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. Oh, push up. Okay. No. How did I do that last time? The heck? Okay, don't worry. We'll get it. We'll get it. We'll get it. Okay. So I just have to Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. No. Okay. So what? Oh god, this is very difficult. Okay, so if I go this way and then I go oh fuck, no. Oh my god. How? Okay. If I go that way and then go up. Oh, and then I gotta like go this way. Oh no, come back up. No. Oh fuck! Oh my gosh, you have to go so fast. Okay, so this way. This way. Oh my god, wait! Ah, fuck! Oh my goodness. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of screaming, sorry. Okay, we did it! Yay! Okay. How's everybody doing? It's good, Beal. How are you, my friend? Fuck. Okay, good. Ooh, ouch. This game is so fun. Okay, I gotta... Oh my gosh. Beal, when I saw that you updated or downloaded, oh my fucking god, 7 days. My 7 days to die is ready. I gotta find out. Maybe we could just play sometime in Discord. Oh my god. Do we have to get a are we able to play without having to like, how do we do that? Oh my god, please. Ah, damn it. I'm so mad. Why? I keep bumping into things. I feel like this game really just wants to piss you off. Oh, fuck. No, please. Why can I... Why? We would have to check. Okay, Bilo. Okay. Fudge a muffin. Oh no. I don't have fun plans this weekend. Oh my god, I did it! From what I remember, I don't get any delay. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh no! Yeah, we can always see how it goes. Come on, no! Okay, so the best course of action would be to... Oh, no. But I really need to check because the delay makes sense to me. Ah, okay. Oh my god, really? I guess I could hold on here. No, please! Ah! Oh no. Okay, utilize the wall. Utilize my ass. Oh my god, thank god. Jesus. What's over here? Hey, you. Oh, it didn't work. Come back. Oh no. Oh my god, I almost killed myself. Jeez. Oh, I'm not fast enough. Oh, oh fuck. Oh my god, I squished myself. Okay. Up. Anything here? Okay. What's over here? Let's explore. I like that when you go down, there's a... Oh, hello. I was so close. It's over now. Oh, she's so sad. Why won't she leave me alone? I hate her. But she's a part of me. I'll never be able to get rid of her. And she was right. I couldn't climb the mountain. I mean, yet. Don't think like that, Madeline. Do you pronounce it Madeline, Madeline? Oh no. Hold on. Ah! What's up here? I don't know. Do I need to like go farther up? Where do I go? Okay. My goodness, are you kidding me? Okay. Woo! Let's explore. Oh, okay. Well. Oh wait, no. What is the point of this? Oh, I see. No! Curious. No, go back. Ah, shit. Okay, so let's go this way, yonder. Thing over here? Oh, there is something over there. Ah, whoa. Oh, there's like a big boy over here. Hello. I'm French, so I say the first way. Is it French? Are you really French, Samkis? Oh no! Wait. Ah! Okay, well, oh no, I fell and died. How do I do this? So do I... Ah, no, wait! I wanted to follow you. Come back. French Canadian. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, fuck a duck. Okay, don't fuck ducks. Whee! Let's just go up high. Oh, wait. Ah. Whee! Oh, no, come back. Okay. Oh, what's over here? What's that over there? I feel like there's something on that side, too. Wait, what was the first way again? I don't remember what I'm doing. Okay, we're just kind of fucking around and exploring. Sorry. Let's go back to the right side. Whee! What were you doing? I'm French. What's the first way again? This way? Oh no, come back to me. No! Okay, how do I get over there? Will I make it that far? I don't know. We'll try. Zoom, 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 zoom. Ah! Can I? Oh, okay. I was like, can I reach it? No, never mind. Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ. How do I do this? Ah! Okay, I'm trying to get on the other side and catch it. I don't even know if that's the right thing. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Am I even doing this? What am I doing here? Do we even know? What am I doing with my... Oh no, I fell. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, I can't reach it! Come back to me! So I can't go that way. Only go this way. Oh wait, no, come back to me. Oh no, he's gone. I didn't mean to do that. Ah! Ah! There's just a lot of deaths today. I suppose I could try to make him go up, yeah? Oh! It didn't work! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, so can he only go... Can he not go up? Is that not an option? Because it's only like left or right on his sides? Oh, I suppose only left and right, huh? Oh, fuck! I'm trying to like hold on to the other side to him, but it's not working. I still don't understand how to do that. Can I go through a waterfall? Let me inside. Oh no. Oh, what's up there? I think I'm stuck. What if we duck on top of him? Would that work? Well, if we duck on top of him, I get stuck, or I get hit by this thing. So what I was trying to do was hit the right side and then try to hop over and hold on to the left side of it, if that makes any sense, but I'm just not quick enough to do that. Oh no. You know, and then ride it and then hop up. Ah! I'm just not quick enough. I guess I could do this. Or I could hold on, I suppose? If I hold on and then jump up instead of... It's hard because I like bounce back instead of like... Ow! You know? I could do that and then jump. Oh, okay, never mind. Ah, no, 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 no. Ah, fuck, no. Okay, I think that's the strat. I just don't know how to. Ah, ah. Oh, thank you for the follow. Hi, Maraudable. Welcome in. Okay, we'll get there. Well, obviously I'm capable of it. I just... Oh, I already fucked it up, didn't I? Yeah, I did. How's it going? Hello, welcome in. Okay. No! Okay. I didn't mean to do that. Ah! Oh, Oh my god. Are you kidding? No, come back to me! Oh, fuck. Maybe I have to do that? What? Where are we going? We're just gonna go on an adventure right now. No, come back. No. Oh, fuck. No, come back to me. No, no. Oh, what a mess. Yikes. Oh, fuck. No, come back. I'm a mess right now. Oh, God. I feel like I'm just like in this really weird, how do I do this? Damn it. Where do I go from here? Where do I go? Do I keep... I think I have to keep moving sideways, don't I? Oh, okay, I did it! Skill... Oh my god, Lord, no. Maybe it's a little of a skill issue. Don't be mean. How's it going, Lord? How are you? Okay, I got it eventually, so let's not be too mean. 45% wholesome. Chili is half wholesome, half evil today. That's okay. I really like that the music does that. Like it goes down like this. You're doing okay. Wholesome. It doesn't even react because there's nothing wholesome about it. Oh wait, never mind. You spelled it wrong. Never mind. I was like, yeah. Makes sense. Fuck. 11%? That's pretty accurate. Oh my god. I am an angel today. I am so wholesome. 100% wholesome. Mm-hmm. Oh, I didn't even notice that there was a little friend here. Oh, okay. Oh my god, no. Stop. It should be 100. I am now spelled Mr. Bartleby. It's just so hard. I can't. I could pronounce Bart's name. I just can't spell it for the life of me, you know? Oh, fuck. Oh, where are you going? No! Oh, momentum. We need momentum. That's what we need. Fuck, a duck. You try it first. Shit, no one. No. Ow! I thought I spelled it right. I need him in here so that I could know for sure how to spell it. Woohoo! Momentum! We did it! Wonder what's the other 42? Maybe hungry. Are you hungry, Sans? Did you have anything to eat today? I'm eating a donut. Chat, do you have a favorite donut flavor if you eat donuts? What's your favorite donut flavor and why? No, we have to do this? Oh, great. Oh, okay. Well. Oh, no, I didn't mean that. No. Oh, okay. Only 32%. Lies. It's all lies. Actually, mine was I think 14%. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. I just got squished. Ah! No. Oh, how does one do this? He's so mad. Oh, like that. Okay, I get it. Oh, but then how do I get past that? I don't get it. Not yet. Sweet coffee donut. Just the old-fashioned honey ones. A honey donut? Is that... What's a honey donut? Is it just like a normal donut, but instead of like a glaze, it's a honey? My favorite is a maple donut. I know, I'm such like... Oh my god. How do I get... No. I need that though. No, come back to me. Oh, fuck. Wait, what? How did I do that? Ah! Okay, I did it. What is that? Do you think that's gonna kill me? What if I touch it? Oh, ow. What does it do? Ow. What does it do? Ow. Okay. Hi, Black Cat. Black Cat, what's your favorite donut if you like donuts? Do you have a favorite donut? Does it just help bounce me? Is that what it's doing? Boing. Oh, okay, yeah. Maybe just... Boing. Boing. Okay. Maple bar. Yay! Maple bar friends. Yoo-hoo. It's so yummy. Oh no. Ah! Ah! Okay. Oh fuck! Oh my gosh, no! Judy, my love, my light, how are you? Shlibity, my dearest, how are you? I hope you are well. How are you doing? How is your day? Hi, Shlibity dear, how are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. What's up, Roses? How are you? That's a really cute emo. Oh my gosh, it's a pocket! So cute! Lots of show cancellations. Unionizing is a nightmare. Oh no! Oh no, I'm so sorry that shows are being canceled and unionizing is not going as planned. Are donuts processed? Because I can't have processed stuff anymore. Yes, I believe it would be considered processed. I guess if you could get like the best of the best ingredients or make it yourself, I suppose. I mean, there's still some processing like the flour and things like that. I'm just now eating donuts again after like 12, 11, 10 years, so it's been about 10 years. Oh fuck! Oh my god, please go up. No. Ah! Why is this like this? Help me, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, you know what? That worked out. Yoo-hoo! We get cancellation pay. Oh, that's good. Hi, I'm well. Seeing what you're playing. We're doing some Celeste today. Doot, 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 doot. Hi. So, I don't know if you heard of Celeste. It's a really challenging platforming game with really good music. And it's in this like really cool 8-bit retro style. Right now I play as the protagonist. Her name is Madeline, and she's trying to climb Mount Celeste, which is an actual mountain in the Canada. Yeah. But really it's just kind of her going through some inner turmoil, fighting her demons, all that stuff, you know. I'm getting paid to play Baldur's Gate? You're getting paid to play Baldur's Gate? Heck yeah, let's go! The Canadidias. Yeah, Candidia? That's definitely not Candidia. We definitely don't want that. Wait. How do I do this? I feel like I'm missing so much. Go. Okay, I didn't have to zoom anywhere. Oh, I'm trying not to swear, okay? Oh, damn it. You, sir or lady, are going places. You are going places. Oh, I forgot to drink. Nom. BBL, how is Bald Gate going for you? Why am I not jumping? What's happening to my life? Okay, hold on. Ah! No! Oh my god. Ah! This game is making me clench so much. Oh my goodness. Ah! Fuck! If you ever need some clenching game to play, this game is the game for you. Oh! Wait, why did it do that? It denied me. Why is it denying me? I don't get it. Excuse me? Ma'am? Wait, why isn't it not allowing me to touch it? I don't get it. That one's like hidden. Huh? What? I don't get it. Oh dear. Pocket, I think? Wait, so you holding a Game Boy? Oh yeah, Game Boy. And yes, I'm a sir lady. Thank you for noticing. Pocket. A Game Boy Color. Bubbles are strong. Why are bubbles so strong? An original one. Yeah. No spoilers for me. I'm close to the end of Act 2. Anyone in chat bother with spoilers? Oh, okay. I haven't watched any gameplay of it. I'm waiting for... Oh my Lanta! Yeah, I haven't watched any gameplay. I've just watched like the little bit. Oh no! If you want to hear somebody complaining, then this stream is for you. Do I have to like zoom? Oh, fuck. Okay, so I have to stop right in front of it and then get it? Ah, it touched me. No, I guess I touched it, huh? So I'm having a window installed. Oh, fuck a duck. Oh, I'm not strong enough. No. Hopefully you can't hear the people working. Oh, fuck, on my window. So I'm doing a kitchen reno right now. And, oh my god, please, no! I'm having a window installed. I'm excited. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, no. How does the tattoo points... Oh, wait! Is the tattoo thing still on? That reminds me. I mean, I can always... I forgot. Oh, it's not enabled though, right? Is it not enabled? It shouldn't be enabled right now. Unless it is. Oh. We'll have it paused. Okay. Thank you for reminding me, Sans. I'm a master of Act 1 because I make so many characters. My BG's going chaotic. That's the idea of playing with Dark Urge. I'm gonna have to do a kitchen and bathroom reno. She's expensive. Yeah, I'll probably try to tackle most of it on my own. Yeah, the majority of it has been on me. Yeah, like the majority of the house, like renovations, I've done. But as far as like the plumbing and electric, I'm not. I mean, YouTube is there, but I'm not as confident with that, obviously. I mean, plumbing, not bad. I'm fine with that. Electrical, though, that I'm just like, no, no. I probably shouldn't mess with that. But I don't mind doing reno and demolishing things. Oh, I did it! Okay, so I just have to be right in front of it. Yeah, I've been in my house for about 10 years now. Oh, fuck. 10. No, actually a little longer. I think 11, 12? No, that's not true. Is it? Anyways, it was... I remember... Oh, fuck. Anyways, it was like at the very bottom of the market here in Washington. But yeah, I was like, I think now's the time. Now's the time to switch things up. Oh, fuck! Sorry. Ooh, I don't haven't done Dark Urge story yet. It is, since I won't be able to use the tattoo word, can I get free Ara Ara? Okay, yeah. Ara Ara. We can do substitutes. Wait, you didn't even pay for it. Damn it. I guess it's free. That's fine. I can use 2 free ones now, Sans. Okay, where do I go? Hello? Do I... What? Where do I do with my life? Oh, I see. Oh, I just break through everything, I suppose, huh? Oh, I'm so strong. I'm so strong right now. Fuck yeah. Top quality Ara. Oh wow, I get a top quality one that time? Yeah. Wait, no, come back. I need to go this way. No, go inside. Okay. It looked like something was there, you know? Let's break down all the walls. We're breaking down all the walls, chat. So many metaphors, you know? Okay, there's gotta be something in here, yeah? Nothing? Really? Disappointing. Okay. Ooh, where's that eyeball? I want to play all original characters if possible. Eventually I'll burn out. It happens. Oh, fudge. Ah, my head. Stop it! Oh, okay. Well... Oh, no. I'm going all over the place. Oh, dear. Okay, we'll have a plan eventually. Just head up. Oh, no! Okay. Focus on the ones up top first. Fuck! It's a dog! Metaphors. Metapet. Wow, no, wait, up. We just gotta move up. That's all we want is up. Up. You know, I'm just... I got it. Reach! Reach! Ah! I did it! Oh, fuck! No, I was so close. I almost did it. Up! Up! Ah, okay. Well, that works. Oh my god! Ah, fuck! Oh my god, it just used me into the stuff. That's not fair. Ah, I'm dying. Okay. Ah! Ah, no! Ah, move! Oh, I did it. Oh, jeez. My only weakness. I have strong aversion to playing male-presenting characters. That wasn't a dog, that was a fox! That was a dog! That was the annoying dog from Undertale. Have you played Undertale, BTG? Oh, we got an ad break. Sorry. Ad break. I already pretended to be a dude for 30 years. Don't make it. Do it again. Don't do it again, Schlippity. You don't have to. You could be whoever you want to be. If you want to be the dark, what is it? Urge? The urge to be... What is Veal playing? The chaotic thingy? You do it. That all the channel points I got. Duck me. You just... Wait, was the duck even on me at the time? Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, that was a Toby Fox. And Gender Fluid MB. Ooh, sing to me. Ah, okay. Exclamation karaoke. Hopefully, I don't think the duck me was on my face, was it? It was over here. We'll have to do it again. I'm sorry, Chili. Ducky, ducky, ducky. Oh, there it is. Yay! Chili, I'm gonna refund that one to Chili. Thanks, Ari, for doing a duck on my face. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, wow, wow. Okay. How do we do this? Yes, ads. Ads. Do I have a thing for ads? Ads? I was like, do I have a thing for ads? No, I don't. Okay, well, let's see what to do here. Goodbye, Earl! Oh yeah, that's a thingy. I was trying to make a mix of just a bunch of things, you know? Oh, is that what you want me to sing? Goodbye, Earl by the Dixie Chicks. Oh, it's been a while. Or is that their name? Are they still called the Dixie Chicks or are they something else now? I don't remember. That just reminds me of high school. I grew up in a very country-esque town, like a small farming town. And I just remember singing this song a lot. Wherever it is. Either that or What's Up. Okay, well you choose. Let me know which one you'd like me to sing, and I will do my best. Am I supposed to go up? Oh, fuck a duck. Oh, am I supposed to just go over? Venga Boys. Oh my gosh, do you want Venga Boys? Who doesn't love Venga Boys? I'm obsessed. Okay. If you have any other suggestions, my dears, let me know, because I will... Oh, everything wants to just kill me today. Oh. So mean. Ah. I did it! Oh no. Ah! Yes, Venga Quacks. Ah! No, I want sixpence. Oh no, which one? Which one? Tell me. Okay, let me know whenever the final answer is, and I'll... Oh, fuck. Ah! I have played all the routes in Undertale. The new dog is said to be Toby Fox, so that's where my fox... Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Sixpence, final answer. Okay. Let's see. Where is that on my list? Where do I have that? Is there a search button on here? That'd be great. Wait, is it towards the bottom? Where is this? Hold on. Da. Sixpence. Yeah, it's most of the way down. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna have to lower this. And then increase this. Oh, this song reminds me of what is that song again? Or that She's All That. You remember She's All That? Oh, this song is so cute. Okay, it's gonna be coupled with a lot of swearing. Kiss me out on the bearded barley nightly, beside the green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning start. You wear the shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Let your open hair strike up the band and make the firelights dance. Silver moon sparkling. Ah, shit. So kiss me. Oh God. Oh no. I'm falling. I'm dying. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me upon its hanging tire. Bring, oh God, bring your flowered hats. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the spotlight stand. Silver moon sparkling. I am not focusing. So kiss me. Okay, maybe I'll be able to get. Oh God, no. Okay, now that we're in a bridge, let's go. Fuck. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hair, strike up the band and make the spotlight stand. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Oh God. Ah! Oh fuck. So kiss me. Oh God, no! I'm not focusing. So kiss me. Oh Jesus. Okay. So kiss me. Ah! No! Okay, yay! Oh God. Yeah, that song reminds me so much of She's All That, because that was like the song. I had my fantasy as a young high school person.
Walden's tempo
I'm
competency
sorry,
program was
lady.
perfect.
Get out of here. I was like, oh, I always wanted to get kissed during that song. That was phenomenal. That was a mess. Very welcome throwback for sure. It's so good. It's so romantic. I love it. Oh, fuck, a duck. No. No, why did I go up? I feel like I was... Oh, wait. You know what we're missing? We're missing... music. Oh my God. I swear my voice isn't as shaky when I actually sing. I just get so nervous when I'm online. I don't actually use my singing voice, I feel. When I'm really nervous, my voice goes way higher. But I feel like I'm actually a good singer. I'm just, it's that anxiety, you know? Fuck a duck. Oh, I did it. No, I didn't do it. No. And now I try to remember any other song by Sixpence, right? I don't think I could recall any other one. Ah, fuck a duck. Yeah, Shilabidi, my dear, if you have any other recommendations as far as songs go, let me know. Or anyone else for that matter. Any fun song, really. Oh my god. Ah! Oh. Ah! Jeez. Okay. Whew! I did it! Oh no. Can I go down? First try, let's go! Okay, hold on. Ah! Oh no. Sir. Oh no! Wait, no! I died. Calm, cool, and collected at every turn of death. I'm such a calm person. What are you talking about? Oh fuck! Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, that worked out good. Smoosh! I'm still waiting for Disturbed Sound of Silence. Oh, wait! Actually, that reminds me. I was listening to that, a bit. Where did it go? I will add that. I think I have it down. I'm pretty sure. It's a really good rendition. Disturbed Sound of Silence. Yeah, no, it's a really good song save to playlist. Karaoke. I should be able to do it. There's not too much difference. I mean, there is kind of, but it's doable. It's doable. Okay, it has been added. Oh, this looks very dangerous. How do you not die in here? Ah! Oh no! Okay, so I think I just have to bounce off the side of them. Okay. Ah! I did it. Ah, fuck, I died! Don't say you love me. Oh yeah! Don't say you love me when you... Oh, fuck, a duck. Yeah. That's a good one too. I died again. Okay. Oh no! This side. I gotta hit the side of it. Yikes! Oh no. Oh no! I didn't do it right enough. Woo! Woohoo! Boing! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. It's like a ping pong ball. Ah! Fuck! You should do Butterfly by Crazy Town. Oh! I forgot about that one. That's a good one. I'll add that one. You're my butterfly. Wait. Am I thinking the same one? Yeah. Where is my tab? Okay, I'm gonna add that one before I forget. Because you know me, I'll forget. Butterfly, Crazy Town. Crazy Town Karaoke. Add. Save. Karaoke list. Okay, it has been added. It is done. If you can sing Sound of Silence, I'll redeem when Kix arrives. Okay. Sugar baby. Yeah. I'm here. No, Kix! Kix is like, wait, what do you want me to do? I might have to hear it again. Wait, is there... Oh, God. Is there a karaoke version of it so that I don't have to get DMCA'd or anything like that? Hold on. Disturbed. Sound of Silence. Karaoke? Oh, they do have it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let me add that one instead of the other one. Save the playlist. Jooby-jooby-doo. I might have to listen to it before I actually do it. Okay, what song? There you go. Okay. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me listen to it for like half a second, just so I could actually remember. Disturbed. Sound of silence. It's like in my ear. It's so low. I wonder if I could. And after that, you can sing Meshuggah. No. Via, I just gotta like double check. I'm just like listening to it right now. If I could have... Okay, I think I could do it. Maybe? Hold on, let me get to the chorus. Okay, I don't know. We'll try it. You're not listening to it. We can see if I could do both, you know? I am capable of both, maybe? Okay, this one I might have to be slightly more focused. I think I'll have to not... I can't play the game while I'm doing it, so give me a second, because yeah, this one I will have to like actually pay attention. I'll have to pay attention to this one. I might get... Hopefully I won't get... Well, yeah, we'll play the karaoke version. Hopefully there's a backup, you know, so I'm not so alone. I gotta find one with like a backup. That's okay. Okay, here we are. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, there's backup. Come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping, that was a mess up, left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. we're doing karaoke. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of prophets, I don't know, written on the walls of the subway walls. I messed up on that one. House. Oops. And the sound of silence. It's a good cover. It's just hard for me to sing. Silence. Yeah. Although I messed up on the end. I'm sorry. I still don't have the ending down because I think I only listened to the first part of the song. And so I only remember like the first part. There's like a few inflections that are different in the cover, but I think that is my favorite cover of the Simon Garfunkel song. It's good. It's just hard because it's so low. Ah, no! Ah! Ah! I did it! Okay, now I just have to find my way through here. So I think with those ones I gotta like push. No! No! Okay. Oh fuck. Okay. Okay. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh no, that's not where I should have gone. Oh well, that actually worked out good. Oh, I made it! Yay! No! Almost. Ah! No thank you, Nightbot. Thank you for being here. Okay. This is hard. Up, down, up. Whoop. Up, down, up. Ah! Oh my god. No! Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Okay. Ah! Okay, if I don't get this, I need a donut break. Because this is getting difficult. Ah, no! Ah! Oh! Whoa! Oh no! Ah, I did it. Oh fuck, I didn't do it. Shit. Okay, donut break. Hold on, I need to bite a donut. Food. You gotta eat, Slippity. Have you eaten yet, my dear? I hope so. Ah, I died! No. La 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 la. Ah! Wait, how? I don't get it. No. Okay, we gotta be smart about this. Go. Oh no! I'm just. Oh no! Jeez. No, I woke up and had a union meeting and now I'm here. Gonna fix that. Yeah, go get some yum-yums. Gotta, consume food. Gotta hydrate and make sure that you eat. Oh, okay, go. Fuck. Okay. Ah, no. Darn it. Those ones are tricky. So you have to like line up properly. Ah, no. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Whoa. No. Why did I do that? I should have just kept going. Silly fingers. Oh, fuck. Oh dear. No dear. Okay. Okay, we got this, we got this. Oh, no, we don't got it. Oh, wait, maybe we do? Okay. Oh, we do, okay. Ah! Darn it. I feel like I'm so close. Just being so clumsy. Oh, no. Oh, dear. Oh, no. Okay, we got this. Okay, well, it's a mess. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I think I got about like 30 minutes left of like gameplay and then I gotta go. Oh no, dear. Oh no. No. Okay, I want to at least get through this part. Hopefully before I have to go. Oh, thank God. Okay, hey, it's my friend. Okay, I guess you're not my friend. Goodbye. What's this? Hey, it's this lady again.
Oh, hello again.
Oh, of course you're here.
Oh, calling it quits, I see.
No, I fell. It's over.
That's probably for the best. The mountain doesn't pull any punches.
Yeah, I get it. I wasn't strong enough to climb your stupid mountain. You can laugh at me again if you want. I didn't mean actually laugh.
Sometimes you gotta know when to throw in the towel. You'll get over it.
You know what? I had a lot of time to think climbing out of this cave. And I'm already over it. Good luck, Tonesy. Oh, thanks. That part of me was right. I can't do this. I'll just go home to my sad life and be miserable forever.
You clearly aren't over it.
Shut up, I know. I don't want to give up. But no matter how hard I try, she sabotages me every step of the way.
A lot of kids come here to climb this mountain only to give up. It's a shame that you fell. I was starting to think you'd make it.
What makes me so special?
I've never met someone so angry at themselves. Honestly, I thought you'd reach the summit just to spite yourself.
Thanks.
This girl you're talking about, it sounds like she's holding you back. Talk to her. Figure out why she's so scared.
You think she's scared? I guess I never thought of it that way.
Stop wasting both of our times and go ask her. What have you got to lose?
You're right. I don't know how to find her.
She's part of you, right? If you look for her, she won't take long to find.
So you know about the mountain's power then?
Ah! It's Peter! Hi, everybody! Welcome in, welcome in! Hi! Dun, 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 dun,
Hi, Peter and friends! Hi, Smite dear! I forgot to give a right message! Get righted, get wrecked. What's up? Hi, Peter. Hi, friends. What's up, Pot? Potixity? Potixity? Hi. How's everyone doing? How was your stream, Peter? Did you get anywhere in the game? Did you just get over it? Hopefully you got over it. It's going good. We're just having the most non-stressful, cozy game ever. If you came here to be less stressed out from Puto's stream, then you're in the wrong place. Much stress here. He rage quit. Did you really rage? You never got over it? He did not. Well, oh no, Puto, you rage quit again? What's going on? P-Raid. Hi, Sadi. Hi. Why are you always lying? Why you always lying? Why you always lying?
Oh no, it all went wrong.
Did it? Did it all go wrong, Vito? Oh, I'm so sorry, my friend. I'm so sorry. Do you want me to help beat up the mountain for you? I mean, I have another mountain I'm trying to beat up right now, so you know. You press the magic button on the... I promise I will finish it in 2 days, I swear. Okay, it's a promise. Is there any consequence? Will there be a consequence if you don't finish it in 2 days? Beat up laws. Okay, no, that sounds like a great consequence. I mean, I think everyone's up for that. Sorry, can't do that here. Laws does not exist in here other than you, Lord Alice.
You need to work on your messaging. A glimpse at the truth is good for people.
Oh, well, I should probably say hi. I'm Dear Judy. For those of you who don't know who I am a PNG YouTuber half the time. Hi, you're seeing that right now. And the other half, I put on my fleshy suit and I stream IRL. I'm making my way through Celeste and Dark Souls. So if you like a lot of complaining, a lot of pain, a lot of silliness, then you're in the right spot. Hi, welcome in. Also, we're doing a 600 follow giveaway stream. Oh my gosh, what? Yeah, let me just spiel that really quick. Once I hit 600 followers, I think I'm at it, but also it doesn't stick all the time. So whenever we reach 600 and it stays, I'll be doing a cosplay stream. Yeah, I'm making my way through Dark Souls 1. Yes. Yeah, so I'll be doing a cosplay stream soon-ish, which you can... Oh, there we go! ArcadeBot knew exactly what to do. Yeah, so you could actually vote right there. If you want to vote, be a part of the voting. And then I'm also an artist, so... oh, there's my Ko-fi link. The protagonist is so sassy. Who's sassy? And Madeline too, I guess. Am I sassy? But yeah, so I'll be doing 5 free emote giveaway or a PFP of your choice. And then a game giveaway. So if you are waiting to play Baldur's Gate 3, then look no further, because you could win it in the giveaway. Yeah, that's it. I'm not the greatest of spiels, but yeah. Anyways, what are we doing? Oh yeah, we're an old lady right now.
Even if most can't accept what they see, there is no shame in running back to your car and driving away. Someday you'll be ready, then you'll come back.
No. I'm gonna see this through. No more running.
I thought so. Good luck!
Okay, bye, old lady. Oh, do you have something else to say? How can you stand living here? Isn't it hard to deal with this all the time? Oh, you're at the Crystal Palace. Or place. Yeah. I fell down and I'm climbing my way back up. It's true.
Oh, it's true you never really get used to it, but it keeps me sharp. I like that about it.
But the mountain is so confrontational.
Sure, it doesn't beat around the bush. Celeste Mountain is a place of healing, my dear. The first step of healing is confronting the problem. It's never easy.
Tell me about it. Do you have anything else to say? No? Okay, bye. See you, bye. You're at the end. Almost. Well, I haven't done any of the other, like, B-sides or whatever sides. I haven't done any of the cassettes. So I'll make my way through those as well. What is this? It's taunting me. It's telling me to come to it. I'm coming! Oh no! Okay, well, do I have to make my way back up? Fuck, are you kidding me? Okay, no. I was like, no. Okay, what? You're at the end almost. Good luck. Oh, thank you. The fuck? Where do I go? Ah, I touched it. I'm so sorry. Ah! Oh, can I slip and slide down this one? Ah. Okay, oh fuck. Okay, so it looks like that was kind of a shortcut, so we're gonna take that shortcut. Oh no. Okay. Okay, left or right? Where do I go? I don't know. This I suppose? Hmm. Ah! Aha! No, okay. Be smart about this, yeah? Fuck. Don't worry, I'll get it. Don't worry, just chill out. Okay, well, we have to move this way and move. Ah, see, I did it. Anything down here? This part is actually Pog. Oh, great. At least I don't have to worry about air. Oh, am I upside down? The fuck? Oh, no! Okay. Here we go. Swimming. Just keep swimming. Ooh. Okay. Been a while since he played it. Ooh. I'm sorry, sir. Oh God! Wait for me! What the fuck? No. No! Don't leave me. Ah, fuck. Okay. Well, we'll see. We got it. Oh my God! It just keeps going faster. I don't want to be left behind. Okay, I dashed the other direction. Fuck. Okay, we got this. Oh my God, I hit the ceiling. Okay. Oh God. Okay, so just keep moving forward. We're almost there. Okay. Okay. Whew! I made it. Somewhere. Oh, hi, Self.
Looking for me? I thought you were done with me.
That was a mistake. I'm sorry.
You think you've got it all figured out? You think you don't need me?
I said I was sorry. We need to move past this.
You expect me to trust you?
You aren't innocent here either. But I know you're scared. Look, we're at rock bottom. There's no point in fighting.
I can keep digging. I could pull us down to the center of the earth.
What would be the point? Let's climb out of here. Together.
Come close to me and I'll make you regret it.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh no, what? Whoa, wait, what? Wait, hold on, what? Hold on, wait, what? What am I doing? Oh, wait, I can't hide behind things. Okay. Okay, what? Do I just avoid you? Do I smack you in the head? What am I doing with my life? What do I do with you? How does one fight myself? Okay, I just bonk you in the head? Okay. Where'd you go? Come back. Boss time. Can you come down further? I don't think I could reach your head this way. I can't reach your head! Come! Okay, I gotta go here. Bonk. Okay, that worked. Ooh, this music's so good! Ah! No! Fuck a duck, I didn't mean that. Wait, do I have to start over? Ah. Okay, so I just have to like touch her? I don't have to do anything special? Okay. I thought I had to like hit her on the top of the head. The wow wow. Reverse chase sequence. What's up, Y2? How's it going? That's how you fight yourself. Oh. Oh, lasers. Bitch! I don't have lasers? The fuck? Excuse me? Ah! I don't want lasers on me. Get away. No! Ah! No! Ah. Okay. Okay. Woohoo! Oh no, don't touch it. Ah, fuck. Gonna cook, but gotta... Ooh, nice! What are you cooking? Anything with peanut butter, my guy? Any peanut butter noodles? Oh, fuck! Oh, I got squished! No! Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh no, bad! Okay, bad. Being stupid right now. Oh, I'm... yeah. Oh, you can't get up. Oh, yeah. Ah, okay, hold on. Look. Wait, what's look? What's look? Oh, fuck a duck. Touch. I touched you. Okay, gotta be patient. Oh, that's not being patient. Get out of here. Oh, no. Oh, this is stupid. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Why am I making the dumbest mistakes? Oh fuck. It's so good. It is what shaken beef was shaken beef when translated. Ah, okay, that sounds yummy. Beef. No, I'm stuck. Touch you. Okay, guys. I just gotta touch her. That's all I gotta do. Just gotta make sure I touch her. Woohoo! Fuck. Okay. Okay. Ah, I touched you. Woo! Ah, fuck it up. Okay, hold on. You shake it when it's alive, or yeah, you gotta shake it. Fuck. How do I? Okay, hold on. What am I doing with my life? How? Okay, what? Okay. My hands are so sweaty! Oh, I'm dead! Yeah, no! Oh, God. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. Don't worry. I'll get there. Just have patience, okay? Have patience. Woo! Oh, fuck! It's okay. Again, we'll get there. Just... Oh, damn. Okay. No, sir. This is it. This is the run. Yeah. This is it. I got it. Oh, no! I knew the second I let go. Ay. No. Don't touch me. Oh, no, it's coming. Up. Ah! Hey, yo! Good luck with the bad line fight. Thank you, Dragon. Patience. I don't have that much time. Oh, actually, shoot. What time is it? Hold on. I gotta set an alarm so that I don't miss my meeting. Hi, Siri. You set an alarm for 1 hour. Thank you. Okay. 1 hour. I got 1 hour. And then I got a very important meeting. Oh, fuck. Don't panic. Harness the panic. Harness the panic. Ooh, harnesses. No, not the time to be horny. Jesus Christ. Okay, up and down. Ah, fuck! No, okay, you know what? I need to take a break after I get to this one here. And over. Okay, there, that's it. Oh my fucking god, are you kidding me? Okay. Up. Ah, down. Woo! I touched her! Oh, fuck yeah. Let's go, concentrate. I'm concentrating. Ah! Come on. No, please. Oh, God. Oh, fuck! Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, good, I touched her. As long as I can touch her, we're good, we're golden. Ah! Oh, my Lanta. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? It's always time to be Harney. Harney, no! Ah! No. Okay, I can do this. I got this. This is so easy peasy. I'm making it so much harder than it is. Fuck! Okay, we could do this. We got this. Boing! Okay, I got it. Oh, no, oh, fuck. I'm just spazzing all over the place, you know? Okay, don't move, don't touch anything, don't do anything. What am I doing with my life? Oh my god! So dumb. Ay. Boing! Okay, I got that one down. Ah! And then this one. Ah! Oh, I touched her! Okay. Ah! Okay, that's good. Oh, I did it! Okay. Whew! Okay, what do I do here? The same thing? Okay. Ah, boing! Ah! Oh god. Lucky, I got lucky. Boom! Oh fuck. Okay, maybe I should just stay put? Oh my god! Isn't touching her with that consent called? No, she wants me. She's a tease. She's just being a tease, you know? Oh no! No. I mean, she's the one who... Oh! I should just run into the ground there so that I could, you know... Don't kill me! Ah! Oh my god. Ah, stressed. Touched. Run. Jump. Touch. Up. Run. Okay, just gotta, like, run into the ground. You're right. Okay, run into the ground. That's it. Ah! Oh no. Okay, touched her. Okay. When is this over? What's happening? How's this? Touch. Ah, fuck. Okay, we got this. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, damn it. Okay. If I don't think about it, then it's... Oh, no, maybe we should think a little. Okay. Oh, shit. Ah, no. Boing! Woohoo! Boing! Woohoo! Fuck! Are you kidding me? It's so close. Boing! 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 It's over when she gives consent. Okay. When she tells me she wants it, then we'll be good. Ah, fuck! Are you kidding me? I touched her. Are you joking me right now? No. No! Oh, this is a tough one. I mean, this is fun, though. I don't mind it. No, ma'am. No. Ma'am, come back here. Okay. I think running into her is probably the best option. Oh, fuck. No, okay. What do I do here again? Okay. Run into her. Fuck! Okay, I got it. Run. Run into her. Oh, damn, no. I didn't do it. Okay. Go. Move. Ah! Down. Up! Oh, no! Okay, wait. There's a rest moment I think I could do. Oh, damn. Run. Oh, fuck. Woo! This is like going so fast. Wait for me. Okay, and jump. Yikes! No. Go, 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 go. Bounce. Wing, woo! Oh, damn. Why am I touching the dash there? I don't know why I'm doing that. Stupid. It's stupid, that's what it is. Okay. Maybe I should dash farther back. Oh my Lancet. What am I doing? Great, I'm gonna be stuck in this spot for a bit, I think. Because I'm doing that. So stupid. Oh my goodness. Good thing I have an hour. I have an hour to do this. Why? Oh god, okay. No! Zamkus! Oh, thanks for the rainbows, my love. Jenny, how's it going, girl? We're just, you know, having the most stressful moment ever. I hope you're doing well. Fucking A, I can't. Ah, touch it! Ah, I touched it! I did it! To that point! Oh, fuck! Oh, Jesus. I celebrated a little too early, okay? Ah! Oh, fuck. This is so hard! Jump! Ah, no! Okay. Jump a little to the right. Oh, that's too much to the right. Damn, this sucks. Fuck. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, I need to jump and touch and touch the other side of that wall. Oh no! Okay. Jump, touch the wall. Okay, no, touch the wall. Oh no, touch the wall. Touch the fucking wall. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? I'm so tired right now. I'm so tired. No, jeez. Nope. I'm so mad! Okay, no. Here we go. Here we go. We're good. We're good. Okay, I just need to slow down. My brain is going really fast. You know what we need? I need a donut break. I need to bite a donut. I hope everyone's doing good. As I'm, you know, just stressing through this game. Okay. One donut in. Fuck. Okay. Ah! Oh my god. I shouldn't have taken a donut break. What is wrong with me? No, donut break was needed. Okay. We just gotta pace ourselves. No! Ah, no. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just non-stop. Can I just have a moment? Thank you. Okay. Can I touch you? Thank you. Ah, no! Oh my god. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. Whew! Whew! I did it. Okay. Whew! Oh my god. Touch. Ah, no, do. She's so mean. Okay, run. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my. So mad. No. Okay, we're gonna let her just do that, and then we'll move, and then touch her. No, my god. Ah! Okay, touch. Gotta do that. Move fast. Are you fucking kidding me right now? I touched you. Okay. Oh no. Oh my god. Fuck. So stupid. So dumb. I'm so annoyed right now. No. Bitch! Are you kidding? I'm so mad. Okay, we got this. Touch! So mean, she's just relentless. Are you kidding me? Okay. Fuck! Oh my god. Why? Why? Okay. touch. At least the music's really good, you know? Are you? Oh my god. No. Okay, no, it hasn't been an hour yet. I don't think. So we're good. We're still good. Okay. Oh my god! Twinsy, beware of the time. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, my Twinsy. I have, I set a timer for myself. So, hopefully I will, yes. Thank you for that reminder. Are you fucking kidding me? Girl. Girl, you know it's true. Oh my god. 3 hours now? It might be. We might. So annoying. Ah, run. Okay, up. Woo! I did it! At least that one. Shit. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I did it. Something. I did something. Oh, I touched her again. Just keep touching her. Just keep touching her. I'm gonna keep chasing you. I did you a favor. No, come back to me. You aren't a mountain climber, but I can be if I want to. I'm just trying to help you. No. Come here. None of this would ever happen if you had listened to me. Oh, is she like super angry right now? What the fuck is happening? Wait, girl, come back! Oh my god! Okay, I touched you. Come here, we're friends. Oh no, I need that. Wait, no, okay, hold on. Oh, okay, well I didn't see that thingy there. Boing! Oh, fuck, a duck. The previous narrator got tired of waiting and they had to get a new one. 2 hours later. Fuck! Sorry. Ah! Okay. Well. Boing. No. Okay. Oh no. Woo! Oh my, I'm making the dumbest mistakes. This music just is so good. Woo! No! Ah! I'm just being so impatient. Ah! Ah! No! Ah, fuck. Stupid. The dumbest mistakes ever. Okay. Okay. Whoa! I forgot momentum. The momentum. Okay. Woo. Now I'm just second guessing myself. Great. Okay. Fuck a duck. No! Aww. Fucking Ah, I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. Ah! Why am I jumping? Why am I jumping? What is happening to me? Nah, I'm going too fast. Why did I go diagonal? What's happening? Oh my god, oh my god. I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart! Okay. So maybe I should hydrate after this one. Thanks, my bot, for reminding me. Are you fucking... Okay, we're gonna drink. We're gonna have a little drinky. Okay. Woo! Okay, who's that? Chance? Hi, Chance! Hi, hi, hi! Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Hopefully the meeting went well. Oh. We're gonna get through this. Fuck. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I feel like I'm making the dumbest mistakes. Sorry, people in the ad break right now. Oopsies. Oh! Okay, well. Oh my god, okay, no. It's doing horrible right now, oh god. Oh, thank god. Oh jeez, okay, nothing to miss but death. Oh my god, I almost killed myself there. Whoa, not again. No, fuck. Are you kidding me? Why? Why does that have to be so difficult? Why is it so difficult? Oh my god, okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah! No! Ah! Are you kidding me? Okay, touch. Slide down. Ah, touch! What am I touching? Ah! I don't know what to do anymore! No! This is so difficult! Oh, no! No! This game is making me so sweaty. Touch the wall, run down, jump, touch the wall, touch that. Oh, I died! Okay, so I have to touch and then go over it or something. Ah! Rude. Ew, you turned into a seaman. You know what? We were all little seaman eggs at one point. You know? Just going back to my roots, you know? Oh my god! Okay, what if I touch it and then just fall? Ah, fuck. Okay, 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 okay. Oh my god. Okay, touch and then fall. We're gonna touch it. Oh, fuck. Touch it and then fall and then dodge, dash to the woohoo! To the woohoo! Fuck! Okay, I tried. Thank you for the lurk, Jenny dear. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, no! Oh, darn it. Oh, darn, darn, darn. Run. Ah! Okay. But why did I... okay. Oh my god. This game is so fucking fast-paced. It's ridiculous. How many times have I died already in just like a span of 10 seconds? So much death. Oh my... Are you kidding me? Okay. What if we try to just slow it down, you know? Maybe we're going like just way too fast, you know? Oh my god. No, I can't. I'm gonna be stuck here for a bit, probably. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to slow down going down that hill. Wall? Whatever it's called. Oh my god! I went too slow! Oh, jeez. Okay. Yikes! Run, 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 run. Woo! Oh. Where did those silly emotes? Are you... Any cookies left? I'm doing donuts right now. I have like 2 bites of my donut left. You know? So, definitely... Fuck. Sorry. Woohoo! Okay. Down here. Woohoo! Oh my god. We're gonna get it. We'll get it. We'll get there. Are you kidding me? Yes! Let's go! Oh my fucking god, no! Oh, I'm so mad. Okay, oh jeez, I was right there. Okay. Okay. We're gonna have a bite of a donut. You know, bite of a donut. Just slow it down. Have some water. Chat, are you guys also hydrating? Okay. Okay. We'll take that as a mulligan. Whoa! Oh no, I lost my groove because I ate a donut. Fuck! Okay. We can do it. Yahoo! Boing! 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 Woohoo! Please? Okay. No! Okay. Whew. No, I can't touch her yet! Fuck! Okay, I need to use the momentum of that one. Ah, damn it. As long as we could get to her... Ah, damn it! Ah, okay. No! Touch! Ah! No, 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 no. Why? Oh! Why did I do that? Nope. Okay, well we know we can make it. We just have to get there. Oh, fuck! I put a splash of water in the scotch that I poured. Oh, that counts. For sure, for sure. Have a little drink for me, please. I need it. Gosh. My Lanta. Okay. Kinda. Ah! What? Rude! Yeah, and if you have ice in your scotch, then heck yeah. H2O. Oh, fucking I'm so mad. Okay. Anyone else have issues in this area? This is so tricky. Oh my goodness. Okay. I gotta stop thinking. You know when you like think too much in a game and you just screw it up for yourself? See, now I just keep thinking and the timing is off now. Okay, stop thinking. Stop thinking. We're gonna be at it probably for a bit in this area. For sure. Oh my god! I died. It's like I gotta get it before they do it. Ah! Here we go, we got this. Okay, maybe I'll do the whole like that, and then do that, and then that, and then that. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, and that, and that. Oh god, thank you. Oh my god, no! So annoyed. Okay, so we know what to do. Just gotta do it. Go. Run. I didn't use the momentum! I jumped too early! Yay. And then I gotta remember to like jump to the middle or something? I don't know where I gotta go after that. Fuck! No! Dun 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 dun! Oh no! Okay, we got this. We got this. Dun 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 dun! Woo! Bum ba bum bum ba 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 bum. Woo! Oh no! I'm thinking. Okay, stop thinking. Stop thinking. Don't think. Stop using your brain. Fuck! Ooh, we're getting close. We're so close, young kids. Oh my fucking god! I'm so mad. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to yell. I apologize for losing my composure. Okay. Oh no! No! Oh my god. I'm dying. I'm dying! No! Oh. No! I'm so annoyed. Okay. Woo! Boing! 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 Oh no! Ay, ay, ay. Really bad at that one. Ah! No! Okay. Ah. I saved that one. Dang it. Hi, Dinky dear! How are you? Oh my god. Oh my god, thank god. Oh, okay. Okay. Fuck! Sorry. When's your meeting, young lady? Ah! 30, I got 30. Do I have 30 minutes? I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes? Right? Wait. Right? Wait. Right? Right. Right? Yeah, I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes. We can do it. We're fine. You better not be slacking out. You're good. I'm glad you're doing well. We are definitely not. Oh, fuck! No, we're not slacking out. We're not doing anything. We have a slight bout of, Tourette's right now? Oh my god. We're doing great. Fuck! Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Just losing my composure a bit. This is definitely really smart to do right before... Touch! Okay, I feel like they gave me that one. Woo! Okay, what do I do? Woo! Fuck! I was trying to figure out what to do! Hold on. What do I do there? I don't even know what to do in that situation there. Shit. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Whew! Good thing I reminded her. Yeah, no, I set an alarm about like 30 minutes ago because chat was also reminding me, which I very much appreciate. Okay, so I land there. I go there. I have to drop and hit the side of that to get there. Okay. Did I make it? Oh my fucking god! Don't worry, it's fine. It's okay, don't worry. I think I know what to do now. Jeez. I'm going insane. Okay, this area is just really testing my patience. Oh my god. Okay. No! Okay, I should not have used the dash there. Bad idea. Woo! Ah! I know, I was not planning on streaming because I was like, oh, I should probably prepare. But then I was like, what better way to prepare than to, just like relax yourself and stream a bit, Fuck! Sorry. Small. I got it's big. The brain's big, It's okay. I still have time. I could still gotta drive, and that'll give me some time to rethink my life choices. Fuck! Sorry. Sorry. I've been swearing too much. I need to use a different word than fuck. Maybe we could use like fudge nugget instead. At least I'm getting faster at that part, yeah? I touched her! Thank the Lord! Oh, fuck, okay. Of course. Sorry. Oh no! First try, let's go! God, that one's rough. Ooh, touch it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? Oh fuck! I'm like, this is a mess, you know? Woo! I can't! Why? Why is this so difficult? No! Okay. Okay, you know what? We're just running into shit right now. Okay, we could... Oh my... I don't need that one, do I? I mean, that one's just really to extend this one, right? As long as I touch it, we're good. Oh, fuck, okay. Okay, we're good. Duck! Oh, no! Ah! Oh my god! Okay. My anxiety is through the roof. I couldn't imagine how this is. It's fun. It's really fun. It's just annoying. Ah! Sorry. Fuck! Oh god! Brain! What's up? Welcome in! Hi! Hello! What's up, Brain? Welcome in! Hi! Brain plays! What is up? How are you? Welcome in. Hello, Raiders. Hi, Brain. How are you? What were you playing? Am I saying your name right? Brian? I kept saying Brain. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. What's up? What were you playing? Hello. Hi, Brian. Am I saying that right? I'm sorry. My mind is going 1,000,000 miles an hour. It's a Brian raid. What's up? Hi. Don't mind me just saying all the wrong things. I hope you're doing well. What were you playing? We're just making our way through a very stressful part in Celeste. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay, well, hi Tiny Buns. What a cute name. Welcome in. Oh my lord. Okay, well, I was not looking. Okay. Sorry. Hi, yes, let me know how you found me. Let me know what you were playing. And let me know how you're doing today. Hopefully you're doing really good. Thank you so much for the follow, my dear. Oh my lord, oh my Lanta. Just give me one moment. Oh my lord. Okay. Tiny Buns, welcome in. Thank you. Okay, we are having a really stressful moment here. I'm so sorry if I'm missing chat for a second. Oh my god, no, please. Okay. Ah! Sorry. It's a mess. It's a mess. I swear I'm not this stressed out, guys. Right, chat? Right? Chat? Right? Back me up, chat. Right? Chat knows I'm usually calm and collected, you know? I'm so calm and collected. I'm the most calm and collected person ever! So calm and collected, oh my god. Down and up and down, on we go, all around. Woohoo! Woo! Ah, we did it! Bitch! Oh my god, did I do it? Hi! I was just racking some true crime cases. True crime... hold on. Let me say that again. My brain has been going 1,000,000 miles an hour because I was going through a really difficult part in the game. But I did it. You were reacting to some true crime cases. Fun! How was that? What was the last crime that you were going through or looking at? I'm gonna give you a follow because I'm really curious as to... Now the best part? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? It's gonna get worse. That's really awesome, Brian. Thank you so much for sharing your community with me. Guys, in my chat, if you are all about crime stuff, check out Brian. So are you like a crime doc fanatic? Do you like... Judy has a lot of ability in English. You know what? After all of that, I'm surprised I could still speak normal. Okay. That was fun. That was super fun. That was so easy. What's everyone talking about? Is it gonna get worse, please? I hope not.
Fine. You win. I guess you don't need me after all.
A few moments later.
It took a moment, but you know, we got here.
If you want me to go away, I'll try. That's not what I want. I need your help now more than ever. Please, let's work together. Work together? You're joking, right?
Can I give you a hug? It's okay to be scared. Oh, she's gonna like go apeshit, isn't she? Uh-oh. Oh!
Are we snuggling? We're snuggling!
Big hugs. Oh. We integrated. Oh, she integrated back into me. Yay! She healed her trauma. We became one. My hair is so beautiful. Look at that beautiful hair. It's gorgeous. I have a double jump. Fuck, no way. I do. Double jump? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I got double jump. I have double jump. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I could climb out of here.
Yes! Climb, 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 climb.
Nice cooldown after all the stress. It is! Except my blood pressure's probably like super high right now. Nothing like stressing yourself out before an audition, yeah? Oh shit! Oh, she flung me up! Thank you. Oh wait, are you... but no. How did we do that? If we can climb like that... Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for making me wet, Possum. How's it going, Possum? If we can climb like that, maybe you can still reach the summit. You still want to climb that mountain? Why would we go back up there? Oh, it's the old lady. Probably Max the new sensor out.
It's good to see you two playing nice.
Hey, thanks for talking some sense into me earlier.
Don't mention it. I'm glad I can still be useful every now and then.
Madeline! Is it Theo? It's Theo! Madeline, you're totally okay. I ran down to help, but it looks like you're doing fine. Thanks, Theo. Honestly, maybe that fall was what I needed. Is this a part of you that you were talking about? She's like an adorable goth Madeline.
Hi.
You were right, Theo. I shouldn't be afraid of her. If her and I work together, I think we can still finish the climb. That's so rad.
Wait, no. I didn't agree to this. You said we'd talk about things first.
You're right. I understand that you're scared, but we both know that this is something that we want to do. We have to try one last time. Yeah, you've got this.
I don't know. We were so close and then we fell. The mountain tore us apart.
Yeah, that happened. But I have to believe we can put that behind us. I have to believe we're capable of this.
It's not a bad idea. It'll still be difficult, mind you. But I'm amazed you got as far as you did, butting heads like you were. I reckon you can make it if you cooperate. Okay, I'll try.
Can I help? You've already done so much for me. Let me hold your bag at least. Ah, good idea. This won't take long. We did it! Yay!
Chapter complete. We did it. We absorbed back into our body. Or kind of. Woohoo! I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let's not look at the deaths. There was a lot there. There was a lot of deaths. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to save these. Of course, we did it. We did it. I think since I have about 30 minutes left before I have to actually like leave, I'm going to end it. I'll probably be done playing Madeline, Celeste for today, and then finish this either later when I get back. Hold on. Thank you so much for viewers. Hold on. Give me one moment. I'm so sorry. I have to message my doopy 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 doo. 1 second. 1 moment. I need to just respond to my agent transfer. Okay. I think. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. I am thou, and thou art I. Now you got big brain. Yay, GG! Great stopping spot. Yeah. Check out the name of the next level. Okay. Okay. Give me 1 moment. I remember Y2 was also here as well. Okay. Let's see what the name of the next spot is called. Oh wait. What is happening? Climb. Yeah. Continue. What is it called? Is it just called The Summit? The Summit. Woohoo! Thanks for stream. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, that was good. Pa-bum-bum! We should have some music because it's super... Well, we can't do Sound of Silence because that'll just get TMCA'd. So, I need a music right now. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, yeah, that's a perfect one. Yoo-hoo! Thank you so much for hanging out and coming into this random stream that I had. A surprise cheeky stream. Hi. Who's out there that we can raid, friends? Oh, you know what? You know, we're gonna go. We haven't been able to raid Laws in a really long time because our schedules are so off. You know what? Who we're gonna raid? We're gonna raid Lord Az, and I'm gonna give you all a really good raid message that I hope you follow me. Raid. I really hope you all post this as we raid. So here's a raid message. Please copy it. We are going to go and raid Lord Az. His nickname is Laws. He's playing Hollow Knight, which is my favorite game ever. Yeah, I will try to be back. I'll definitely be back tomorrow, most likely with to finish this. Yeah. So I'll be back tomorrow to finish this, or it'll be a Dark Souls stream in the flesh. Yeah, audition time is I've got a meeting in an hour, so I'm gonna stop it right there so I don't get too hyped up before I gotta go. Here are my socials, my friends. Well, there's a VOD channel. There's the socials. The Discord. I think we're at 600 now, I believe. I'm not too sure. But yeah, let's go raid Laws. Here's the raid message one more time. Let's go, Laws. I'll see you in there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, my friends. Take care. Remember to be kind to yourself or somebody else, okay? Okay. See you. Bye.